Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing makeup. Like, I have missed doing makeup, so today I'm going to dedicate today's video. I'm going to give you a sweat proof makeup, something that you can wear in the summer. Yeah, and it's just going to be super easy, very simple, straight to the point, nothing difficult, so you don't have to really worry, oh, I'm going to go in with too much foundation, my foundation is going to start cracking, I'm going to get sweaty and all of that. Just make sure that you prep your skin before. I already did that, moisturized, added my moisturizer, oil cleanse and all of that. And if you haven't seen my oil cleansing video, go and check it out, guys. You're gonna be intrigued at what takes place. Yeah, but this is what I did, cleanse my face and all of that. Now we're going to go into the makeup. I'm going to do my brows, maybe one brow on camera, one brow off camera, so we can just get straight into the video. Yeah, so waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. Okay guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and I did one brow. I'm gonna do the next brow. I wanted to show it on camera, but you know, went ahead of myself. But I used this pencil to fill it in, and then I went over top of it with this brown, this one, because I wanted it to not be so wet. Alright, so I'm just going to finish everything and show you the brows. Okay. Not going to talk much because I don't want the video to be too talkative, because it's more about, you know, getting that sweat proof nice eye look and everything. And this brow looks a little bit more arch, so this one looks a little more arch, so I'm going to fix it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am cleaning up my brows, and I am using my Colourpop in dark 56 and my LA Girl in FAWN. So I just mix both of them, and I really use a lot of the dark 56 and a little bit of FAWN, just cause I don't want that highlighted brow kind of vibe. Yeah, that trend has died, so I don't want to revisit it. And I'm going in with my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat. That's a foundation shade, and I'm just going to take that above my brows to clean it up. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the brow portion. Let me just play some music while you just sit and watch it. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I am cleaning up right now, and I'm using my Sylyne's concealer blending brush, and I really love this brush, guys, because it blends concealer so well, and it's small enough to just, you know, go around the crevices and the corners of my eyes and the contours of my eyes, and I really love it for that. Right? Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing right now, just using going in back I'm going in again with the concealer to just, you know, blend everything, clean up and all of that. As you can see, just cleaning up. Yeah, it's not like nothing that needs explanation. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to go in with now is my foundation, and this is the NYX Stay Matte But Not flat. And I'm going in with this chubby brush. It's nice, it's angled, it's fluffy, it's dense enough, and this is a little bit of slow motion action just cause I love applying foundation. I just love how it, you know, melts, glides across the skin. It's just so satisfying. Alright, so just blending. As you can see, this brush is doing an awesome job. I'll link all of these brushes in the description so you can go and check it out if you want to. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and as I said before, I mixed it with the Colourpop in dark 56 just so that it's not too bright. And as you can see, just applying that to my under eyes, and later on you're going to realize that the camera is going to die, and I just set all like half of my face just so I can, you know, use it the time, and then I left half to demonstrate to you how I blend. And as you can see, I'm using this tiny blending sponge because, you know, I've had it for some time. I have like 3 of them, and I love using them like when I'm doing my everyday makeup because it's just so easy and it's not so messy and you can carry it everywhere. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. And as you can see, I went in with some more of the LA Girl just so that I can get the brightening effect, because you know that I have deep set eyes. Right, so we're just trying to do that. Now when we're talking about sweat proof makeup, we need an oil blocking powder, and the black Opal invisible powder is perfect. It's an oil blocking powder, so we are going to just set everything, set all the areas of the face that would normally get oily. And I'm using a puff for this because I really want everything to just press in the skin so that it can be seamless, and so that the foundation or the powder, everything is not moving. Right, if I went in with a brush, it would give me like a sheerer coverage. Yeah. And as you can see, I'm using the same puff, just barely tapping it across my brows so that our brows, it's not like oily. Yeah, and then I just apply it around my mouth and so forth. Now I am going in with my brush now to just really brush everything so that it's nice and clean. Alright, so as you can see right now, what I'm basically doing, I'm going in with this brighter color to just brighten under the eyes. So I'm setting, I am brightening, I'm doing everything that is necessary to allow my face to look flawless even when it's sweating. Alright, as you can see right now, I'm using my setting powder, and we're just gonna set all over the face, set everything so that it can look nice and flawless, and our face is not like flat. So I'm just adding dimension because, you know, it's summer. We have to make sure that we have that summer glow, and we have to bronzify, as my girl Savannah Silver would say. Bronzify. Yeah. She's so funny. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we have to bronzify. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing, bronzing my face and so forth. As you can see, I went in with my lashes because, yeah, we're just trying to move really fast. And now I'm going to use my Gilded Glam Reflection palette from BH Cosmetic, this natural nudie, you know, skin tone color. I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow. So we're going to apply it to the lids, so it's not going to come across as eyeshadow per se, but it's actually set in my lids, right? So it's basically a natural eye, and we're going to go in with some extra lashes now to just bring off the look. Yeah, and I really love this look for summer. Like the lashes, like maybe last summer when I was working, like I wouldn't wear these. I would wear something a little bit smaller, but if I am like going out or, you know, going on the road, or I definitely will rock these lashes because they're so nice. And as I said before, I'm going to link everything in the description so you can go and check it out. These lashes are from Aliexpress, but I don't remember the seller, so I found some similar to these on Amazon, so I'll link it, and I'll try my best to find the ones that are from Aliexpress because I couldn't find them recently. Now I'm going to contour the nose, and I'm going to use the same pressed powder that we used earlier to just set the nose. Yeah, not really contour per se, but just to bring back the definition to the nose. And then we're going to do the same thing with the jawline. And that's it. And the brush that I'm using is from Jessup Beauty. They have some super affordable brushes, and I'm using another fluffy brush with this peachy orange shade from the same Gilded Glam Reflection palette, and I'm just gonna add that because for us like dark skin women, like pinky peach or peachy colors, orangey peachy colors, burnt orange for blush is excellent. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer, and as I said before, I'm using this brush from Jessup. It's a highlighter brush, and I'm using the smallest amount of highlighter just to get my cheeks a little bit glowy and nice, because that's the goal, that's the mission, to look nice and glowy and radiant in the summer, you know, sweat proof, glowy, beautiful makeup. And I'm going to add some down my nose bridge, just the smallest amount, guys, and this is not a lot. The lighting and my camera, everything's just making everything look a little bit, you know, like glowier than it actually looks, but it's the smallest amount. Alright, so now I am going in with my liner, the same one that I used to do with my brows. I'm going to add that to my lips just because I want to line it, and then we're gonna go in with my Colourpop Lippie Sticky and in Can't Wait, and I'll link something similar to the Colourpop Lippie Stick Can't Wait because Can't Wait is discontinued, but it's the shades are similar. So I'm just going to add that, and then later on add my gloss, and we're good to go. And just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this, and I'll be right back. Okay, see you later on. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the finished look, and I am feeling myself, like literally feeling myself, like oh my gosh, everything is just natural and it's just me. I mean, it's just me. It's like yeah, it's like me in all its glory, and I'm really feeling this look. Hope you enjoy it, hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.